Hi and welcome back. Today we're changing the H11 light bulb for the fog light on a Renault Laguna 3. For changing the fog light bulb, we found this way to be the easiest and quickest. We will access it from underneath the car, but first this screw and this plastic tip over here need to be removed. For a screw we are using the TX20 screwdriver. And for a plastic tip you can use a plastic tip removal tool or alternatively flat-headed screwdriver. This will allow you to move the plastic part just enough so you can reach the fog light. Now we are able to reach the light bulb and remove it by turning it slightly to the left and then pulling it out. Once the light bulb is out, we can easily replace it. Okay, let's put the new one back in like this and turn it slightly on the right. We are sorry because we didn't get a better shot of this process as we were limited with space for the camera. Hope it helps anyway. With the new light bulb in place, we will put everything back together and our job is done. Share with us in the comments what is the last thing you had to do on your car. Hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.